The Las Vegas Grand Prix continues to be seen around the world as the premier F1 event. We look for a partner in technology that can deliver that event at the highest level. We found that partner in T-Mobile for Business.
Our partnership with Las Vegas Grand Prix is in its third year, and every year we've listened, learned, and built on that foundation to deliver an even better experience.
T-Mobile's 5G network is able to power an event like this where we're able to deliver broadcast, public safety, point of sale, ticketing, and true fan experiences. With our standalone network, we are able to offer a seamless slice experience across the entire track and Las Vegas metro area.
SuperMobile allows us to communicate across the entire width of our 450 acres. We were able to have satellite connectivity, so I didn't have any drop of communication.
In moments of high demand, SuperMobile ensures Las Vegas Grand Prix employees can do what they need to do to make this an incredible experience for everybody.
The Las Vegas Grand Prix event, it's massive. So it takes a lot to keep the fans safe. We have thousands of police officers and security personnel that have to make this event safe, and they depend on communication. It's particularly important for first responders to have priority access, and that's what T-Priority provides us.
The Skydio drones are embedded with T-Mobile 5G, and we are relying on their technology to provide real-time video awareness to the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department.
Advanced network solutions from T-Mobile for Business really unlocks broadcast.
T-Mobile 5G network is just opening up areas of broadcast that we weren't able to really envision before. So we put roaming cameras, drones, 360s cameras in, connectivity untethered is opening up what we're able to bring to the fans.
Photojournalist partners like Getty are also able to leverage the T-Mobile 5G network.
So with the Sony PDT device linked to the T-Mobile 5G network, we can have pictures out from the camera within seconds, which is something we've never experienced before.
Our team here have built something from scratch with T-Mobile. The fruition of how we're engaging with fans has been so significant, but it's thanks to the partnership with T-Mobile.
This race pushes technology to its limits, and that's exactly where our engineers thrive.
The Las Vegas Grand Prix proves what we deliver every day for businesses across the country. Reliability under pressure, performance at scale, and innovation that never stops moving forward. This isn't just a network built for speed, it's built for business.